Techno update. Subscribe now.
Umidigi C-Note Review. Design and build. The C-Note has the same premium design as the flagship Umidigi Z Pro, with an aluminium alloy body and a large, bright Full HD screen. It's 0.1 mm thicker than its brother, but otherwise has identical dimensions, and is 3 grams lighter at 172. Slim screen bezels and gently rounded edges at the rear make the C-Note feel great in the hand. The screen features the same 2.5D curved glass, too, which makes everything feel seamless as you run your finger across its surface. You'll see 2 grills at the bottom of the handset, which sit either side of a micro USB port, one of the few obvious signs that this smartphone has a cheaper price tag. There is actually just the one speaker inside, with a mic concealed below the other grill. The 3.5mm headphone jack is found at the top. A pin-operated SIM tray is found at the top of the phone's left edge, and this is a hybrid tray that can accept either 2 nano SIMs or 1 nano SIM and a microSD card up to 256GB in capacity. The built-in 32GB of storage is already very generous at this price point. Hardware and performance. So the budget price of this phone is not at all evident from the outside, but inside there is some decidedly low to mid-range hardware. Real-world performance is still pretty decent, especially pre-installed with the latest Android 7.0 Nougat out of the box, but you're not going to get anything close to that achieved by the Umidigi Z Pro here. We ran our usual benchmarks and recorded a low single-point score of 672 in Geekbench 4, and a still pretty low 1872 points multi-core. And also clocked the C-Note at 39,691 points. Gaming performance was lower, with just 11 FPS recorded in Geekbench T-Rex. The best phones achieve 60 FPS here, 4 FPS in Manhattan and 3 FPS in Manhattan 3.1. This isn't a phone you'd choose for playing games, though it is capable of casual titles if you keep down the detail settings. Its Jetstream JavaScript score of 20.7 is about average for a budget phone but, again, on the low side. Battery life is very good from the 3800 mAh cell. You should get 2 days use with moderate use. And you can always use a power bank if you need more. Cameras. The C-Note is fitted with a 13MP Samsung S5K3L8 rear camera with phase detect autofocus and a dual LED flash at the back, and a 5MP selfie camera at the front. Software. It's refreshing to see a budget phone supplied with the latest version of Android 7.0 Nougat, out of the box. This is a vanilla version of the OS, with no deviations from standard Android. It should feel instantly familiar.